Ever wondered why commercial car insurance is a big deal for businesses? In the world of commerce, the wheels must keep turning, quite literally. Every day, countless vehicles hit the roads to deliver goods, provide services, or transport employees. Behind every one of these vehicles is a business taking on the risks associated with operating on public roadways. Commercial car insurance is the safety net that catches businesses when the unforeseen happens. Accidents, thefts, damages. These are all potential pitfalls that businesses face when their operations involve vehicles. Without proper protection, a single unfortunate event could lead to significant financial loss, and in some cases, even bankruptcy. Imagine being a catering company with a fleet of vans. One unfortunate day, a van gets into an accident, causing injury to the driver and damage to both the vehicle and the goods inside. Without commercial car insurance, the company would have to bear the costs of medical bills, vehicle repair or replacement, and the lost goods. Not to mention any potential legal costs if the other party decides to sue. Now consider the scenario where the company does have commercial car insurance. The insurance policy would cover the costs of the accident, protecting the company from a potentially crippling financial hit. The business can focus on what it does best, providing excellent catering services, while the insurance company handles the fallout from the accident. The importance of commercial car insurance extends beyond financial protection. It also provides peace of mind. Knowing that their business is protected, owners can focus on growing and improving their operations without constantly worrying about potential vehicular mishaps. Commercial car insurance also plays a role in maintaining a company's reputation. In an age where news travels fast, a business that quickly recovers from an incident and continues to operate smoothly projects an image of reliability and stability. This can only be good for business. So in a nutshell, commercial car insurance is a big deal for businesses because it provides financial protection, peace of mind, and contributes to a positive reputation. Without commercial car insurance, businesses expose themselves to significant financial risks. Consider the case of a pizza delivery guy involved in a road accident. It was a typical Friday night in a bustling city, and our delivery hero was out on the job. Unfortunately, he collided with a luxury car on a busy intersection. The pizza delivery vehicle was damaged, and the other car, a high-end model, suffered significant damage too. Now, imagine the financial burden if the pizzeria owner didn't have commercial car insurance. The repair costs for both vehicles, not to mention potential medical bills and legal fees, could have been enough to sink the business. But fortunately, the owner was savvy. He had a comprehensive commercial car insurance policy in place that covered the damages, protecting his business from a financial crisis. This case underscores the value of commercial car insurance in protecting businesses from unforeseen circumstances. A solid policy doesn't just cover the cost of accidents, it provides peace of mind, enabling businesses to focus on what they do best. Let's look at another instance involving a construction company. This company, let's call it Build It Better, had a fleet of trucks used for transporting heavy construction equipment. Unfortunately, they decided to cut corners and opted out of an adequate commercial car insurance policy. One day, one of their trucks was involved in a serious accident on a busy highway. The accident not only damaged the truck beyond repair, but also caused extensive damage to other vehicles and property. With no comprehensive insurance coverage, Build It Better found themselves facing enormous repair costs, legal fees, and compensation claims. The financial strain was too much to bear, and eventually, it led to the company's bankruptcy. This incident left the company owners and their employees in a precarious situation, all because they failed to invest in proper commercial car insurance. This case is a stark reminder of the potential fallout of not having commercial car insurance. Now that we understand the significance of commercial car insurance, what does it entail? Let's break it down into its key components. Firstly, liability coverage is a must-have. It covers the costs if you're at fault in an accident, including the other driver's medical bills and property damage. It's important to note that each state has minimum liability coverage requirements, but businesses often opt for higher limits to ensure greater protection. Next, we have collision coverage. Accidents happen, and when they do, collision coverage steps in to cover the costs of repairing or replacing your commercial vehicle, regardless of who is at fault. It's particularly valuable for newer or more expensive vehicles. Then there's comprehensive coverage. This goes beyond the scope of collision coverage, safeguarding your business from non-collision events. Think fire, theft, vandalism, or damage from natural disasters like hailstorms or floods. Essentially, it covers the unexpected incidents that life throws your way. But what if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough of it to cover your costs? That's where uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage comes in. It covers your medical bills and, in some cases, damage to your vehicle, if the other driver can't. Lastly, we have medical payments coverage, which takes care of medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of who's at fault. It may also cover lost wages and funeral costs. Each of these components plays a vital role in your commercial car insurance policy, and the right balance depends on your specific business needs. The nature of your operations, the types of vehicles you use, and the risks you face on the road are all factors to consider. Knowing the components of commercial car insurance helps businesses make informed decisions about their coverage needs. So, whether you're a small business owner with a single delivery van or a large corporation with a fleet of trucks, understanding these key components is your first step to navigating the road to success. So how do you select the right commercial car insurance for your business? First and foremost, understanding your business needs is paramount. Each business is unique, and so are its insurance requirements. Whether your business involves a fleet of trucks or a single delivery van, understanding your specific risks and coverage needs is the first step towards making an informed decision. Next, don't be shy about shopping around. Like any investment, it's wise to compare quotes from different providers. Not all policies are created equal, and prices can vary significantly. A thorough comparison can help you find the best value for your money. But remember, the cheapest policy is not always the best. It's crucial to balance cost with coverage. Furthermore, consider the insurer's reputation. The internet is rife with customer reviews and industry ratings that can give you insight into an insurer's reliability, financial stability, and claim handling process. A good insurer is one that stands by its policyholders when they need it the most, during a claim. Another key factor is customer service. Excellent customer service can make a world of difference, especially in stressful situations following an accident or loss. Look for insurers who are available and responsive, who can answer your questions clearly, and who can guide you through the claims process smoothly. Lastly, don't forget the importance of periodic review. Your business is dynamic, and your insurance needs may change over time. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures it remains relevant and provides adequate coverage for your evolving business needs, and there you have it. Choosing the right commercial car insurance is not a game of chance, but a strategic decision. It involves understanding your business needs, comparing quotes, considering the insurer's reputation and customer service, and regularly reviewing your policy. Choosing the right commercial car insurance requires careful consideration and comparison. So, take the time, do the research, and make a choice that ensures your business stays on the road to success. As we've seen, commercial car insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding businesses. It's the unsung hero that keeps America's commercial vehicles, from delivery trucks to construction vehicles, moving and thriving. Its importance cannot be overstated, as it serves as a pillar of financial protection, risk management, and legal compliance. We've learned from real-life cases like the pizza delivery incident and the construction company fiasco that the absence of appropriate commercial car insurance can lead to catastrophic financial implications. These stories serve as stark reminders of the potential risks involved in operating commercial vehicles and the necessity of having robust insurance coverage. We've also delved into the key components of commercial car insurance. From understanding the various coverage types, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage, to knowing the significance of deductibles and policy limits, we've demystified the complex world of commercial car insurance. We've learned that each component plays a critical role, and a well-crafted policy can help businesses navigate the tricky terrain of risk and liability. And finally, we've shared valuable tips for choosing the right commercial car insurance. We've learned that it's not just about finding the cheapest policy, It's about understanding your business's unique needs, comparing different policies, asking the right questions, and making informed decisions. Remember, your commercial car insurance policy is not just a piece of paper, it's a lifeline for your business. So as we conclude our journey, let's remember the key takeaways. Commercial car insurance is not a mere legal requirement. It's a necessity for every business that operates commercial vehicles. It's about ensuring the smooth operation of your business, protecting your assets, and safeguarding your financial future. Remember, the right commercial car insurance can be a financial lifesaver for your business. So choose wisely and stay protected.